What are you making here, Dad?
Some bread, breakfast bread I call it, for brekkie.
How'd you make it?
Just some plain flour and a bit of self-raising, mix it up with a bit of water, roll it out like this, squash it in, put some oil in your frying pan, heat it up, let it bubble a bit and flip her over.
Simple as that.
Simple as that, and it looks like that when it's done.
As long as you don't burn it.
As long as you don't burn it. And then you can put whatever you want on it.
So how much flour do you put in, you reckon?
I put about 2 cups of flour, depends how many people you're feeding, and about the same, or no, a bit less of self-raising. Because you only want it to bubble up a little bit.
What else do you put in it? Bit of salt? Put a bit of salt in it?
You can though, if you like salt, you can put a bit of salt in.
What have we got here? Some ham.
Ham, leftover ham. Tomato,
some cheese.
Bit of sauce if you like sauce, whatever you want.
We've pulled up to our most peaceful campsite yet, which is back home at the semi, away from all the idiots.
Yep.
We've gotten well and truly over them, so back here, have a bit of lunch.
I'd rather listen to that thing spinning around in the wind, squealing all night, than them people down there.
So I got a broken exhaust on the Rangy, snapped off the front and the back of the muffler, and a nice big hole in the top of it, so we've got to do a bit of a weld up job on that. Prepare to head up the mountains, swap some things over in the cars, and yeah, drop off some bits and pieces, and then yeah, head up to the mountains.
Head across to Albury and resupply, because we're just about out of food.
So we're going to do a big shop in Albury, and then yeah, see where the road takes us.